The major world religions can be broadly divided into Semitic religions and non-Semitic religions. The non-Semitic religions are further divided into Aryan religion and non-Aryan religion. The Aryan religion are further divided into Vedic and non-Vedic religion. The Semitic religions are those religions that are followed by the Semites, the descendants of Shem, the son of Noah, who is also mentioned in the Bible in the book of Genesis, chapter number 5 to 11. So the Semitic religions are those religions that are followed by the Semites, followed by the Jews, the Arabs, the Assyrians, who speak the language Hebrew, Arabic, Assyrian, Phoenician. The major among the Semitic religions are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. And all of these religions, they are prophetic religions.